Still posting without thinking about keywords? You are invisible. TikTok SEO is real. Here is how to rank in 2025. TikTok is now a search engine. If you want views, your content needs to show up when people search. That means using the right words in the right places. Use keywords naturally in your spoken script, your on-screen text, and your video captions. For example, instead of saying daily routine, say my 2025 skincare routine for oily skin. That is searchable. Hack the search tab. Type your niche into TikTok search and use autocomplete suggestions as your content titles and tags. Those are exactly what people are searching. Your caption is SEO gold. Keep it short, keyword-rich, and relevant. For example, easy 5-minute meal prep for beginners, instead of just lunch idea. Want to grow in 2025? Do not just post, optimize. TikTok SEO is how you win. Follow for more growth hacks and rank smarter.